There were some points as far as that another 150 bedded hospital is going to come because they have taken a land from housing board, 20,000 odd square meters, and at Mulgao it is. So that it is almost gone to a stage of planning stages. Because then we have only told them basically to take a local also, some say architect from PWD and all this thing. So that as far as the condition of our condition basically should be met first as our stage is concerned.
So this is just a plan at the planning stage, okay then?
It is a planning stage as far as the planning of the building is concerned. Yeah, but total area is around 20,000 at Mulgao.
So by when you are trying to put a foundation, everything?
Foundation is also most important. We are not looking at the foundation part of it. We are looking at hospital should be completed soon.
Okay.
So we are waiting only for plans as far as because they send a plan at the central office, and from there the plans will be.